Hi there, thanks for visiting the webpage. Thanks for clicking play and showing interest in my training. My name's Adrian Close. I'm the Director of Learning at Ultimate Leadership Training. And I wanted to just put a little bit of humour into the webpage. I wanted to explain what I'm now doing with my time management training courses. I specialise really in management leadership, coaching and HR style courses, and under that umbrella comes the time management course, which is one of the most popular courses that I deliver. But what I've noticed is that we do a 9 to 5, it's great. And then a lot of people will go back to work, but they go back to that craziness. They go back to, a pile of emails that have been piling up during the actual day of the time management training course. And they just get bogged down with work. So all of the things that we talk about during the training gets forgotten about, or good intentions and all of that sort of stuff, but just get a little bit forgotten about. So what I'm now doing, and I've been working with a client down in London, and it's working really, really well, is to start off with, we do an audit. So there's a time management audit that they'll do, which is for 2 days. Any 2 days, it doesn't really matter, working days. And it's logging their time and how they spend their time from the minute that they wake up to when they sort of sleep at night. And it's having a look at their day. And we're going to use we can look at the home life as well, but we'll look at their work life, obviously during the training course, and how they are spending their day. Traditional time management training courses, they don't really work anymore because the workplace has changed. So a lot of training courses that you'll kind of have a look at, they'll talk about a to-do list. They'll talk about this and this, but that's not how you manage how you manage time anymore because the workplace has changed with it's more high pressure, it's more full on, it's more in your face. It's not just a case of we'll do a to-do list and you'll be absolutely fine. It doesn't work. So I've changed my in-person training course. So we do the audit, then we do the in-person training course. That's a 9 till 4 training day. Lots of activities in there. It's not a lecture. The learning actually happens around the table. It's not just me giving information. A lot of group activities. There's no role play, but there's a lot of group activities to get everybody involved and keep everybody energized throughout the day. The day actually goes really, really quickly. That's the comments that I've had because people are enjoying it. And then we took look at the principles of saving time in the modern workplace. It's about getting clear about what it is that your team members need to concentrate on, and it's about that clarity. It's about that concentration. It's about that decision making of what they work on during the day. Then once we've done the time management in-person training day, I set a task for the guys to complete after the training course for the following week, for the following few days, if you like, because then on the Monday after the training course, that's where we start the online 8 week online training program. I was reading recently some more information about time management because I'm always keeping up to date with new learnings, and now, now they say that scientists have looked into this. So scientific fact that it now takes 66 days to effect a change. That's what we want to do with time management. We want to create new habits. We want to create a new focus for your team members. So there needs to be a continual path of learning, which is why we do this the 8 week online training program. And it's not a case of sitting down in front of the videos or the PC all the time or anything like that. There are videos, they're short videos, 4 or 5 minutes long, but they'll watch one video at the beginning of the week and that's it. Because each week there's a concentration. The first one is goal setting. The second week is about vision and setting their vision, both personally and also the work vision. The third one is about prioritizing. And we go through those 8 weeks and they work on one process, one principle, time management principle in the modern workplace that they concentrate on that week. They don't forget the previous weeks, they continue on those, but there's no additional work. And it's just and they get an email reminder from me because it's all automated at the beginning of each week. This is what you need to concentrate on this week. Then once that's finished, during those times, we have a 4 week meeting with me and your team over Zoom. And then we have an 8 week one as well. So that's for extra coaching, it's extra guidance, extra mentoring. It's for the team to get together. It's to discuss what's working for each person, what's not working, and those sort of things so that we can tweak as we go along. Then after that, at the 8th week, I then issue a 30-day challenge. Again, it sounds like lots more work, but it's not. There's one thing per day that the team member concentrates, just a small thing, just to tweak that one, their working week. And then at the weekend, there's additional things as well if they want to do those at the weekend. There's a reading, so a book that I recommend that they read, as for to further their knowledge. And also there's some TED Talks to listen to. Literally one TED Talk and then read 10 pages a day over the weekend, sort of thing. And then by the end of the 30-day challenge, we get together again. We hold them accountable in another Zoom meeting, usually about an hour and 90 minutes, like the other two. And that's an end of program kind of sign off. Well done, you've made it. How has things changed? But because it's spanned the 66 days, it's more than the 66 days, it's changing habits. And that's what the key thing is. And then for anyone who wants to, there are two bonus sections at the end of the 8-week online program. And then each bonus section, there's another 7 weeks. So they're more than welcome to do those. Most people do. And it's just concentrating on that one thing. So all in all, it changes people's habits. We've all got the same amount of 24 hours in a day. It's how we manage those 24 hours in a day. It's how we manage our energy levels in a day. It's how clear we are about what it is that we need to be doing each day. That's what this training does. So if you want to get in touch and we'll have a chat, all my training is bespoke. So I'll bespoke the in-day course to you, your team, your training needs and your training goals and their training needs sort of thing. And my email address is just below, or you just click one of the big blue buttons and then fill in the form and then get in touch. Or if you want to call, there is a number on the contact form, so you can call me on there and we can arrange to have a chat either via Zoom or on phone like the old-fashioned way. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Take care and speak soon.